Starting an on-demand business from scratch, but stuck with... Introducing Demandium, a powerful pre-built on-demand service business solution with full source code. Get all essential panels and apps to manage your business, providers, customers, and servicemen right out of the box. An admin panel for complete control, a provider panel and app for service professionals, a user app for customers, a serviceman app for field staff, a fully responsive website, a landing page to promote your business. Use Demandium to power any service from home cleaning and appliance repairs to salon services and car washing. The possibilities are wide open. Demandium simplifies your operations with everything built for modern on-demand service flow. Grow your business with flexible revenue streams built in so that you can earn from every angle, whether it's commission, subscription, advertisements, or additional charges. Engineered for flexibility, scalability, and easy integration, Demandium adapts to your needs. Perfect for agencies, developers, and business owners looking for a ready-made multi-vendor on-demand service script that just works. Get to market faster, serve customers smarter, launch your on-demand platform with Demandium.